As a result of a growing public awareness about climate change, in recent years the oil and gas industry has made a significant step towards a low-carbon energy mix, massively investing in technologies as well as adopting strategies and new business models that aim at combining economic with environmental and social sustainability. Innovation will be key to start repositioning energy, pushing forward carbon neutrality and gas valorization practices while developing clean energy sources as a whole process to deliver solutions for a sustainable, low-emission future. In this scenario, our ambition for the 15th edition of the OMC Mediterranean Conference and Exhibition of Ravenna is to give new impetus to the event, considering it a place for discussion about synergistic development strategies and a catalyst for collaboration in order to convey a positioning of the industry towards common objectives. The theme selected is Rethinking Energy Together, Alliances for a Sustainable Energy Future, which best embraces the dual challenge of today's energy industry. Accelerate with energy transition to grow sustainably in the long term, and be resilient to overcome the economic downturn in the short term. Based on 25 years of history as a leading event from the upstream sector in the Med, in recent years, the OMC event has started a process of change, approaching other forms of energy, renewables, energy efficiency, low-carbon economy to circular economy, with the scope of increasing the awareness about the complementarity of all energy sources. Let's start from the event name. The OMC 2021 is the Med Conference exhibition and no longer the Offshore Conference and Exhibition, as it will target all forms of energy. To broaden the conference contents and properly address the challenge of sustainable energy, we have established a more comprehensive program committee, taking in new competencies which will represent the real strength of the new MC we are aiming at. The thematic areas will address the entire energy segment, including operational excellence, carbon neutrality, circular economy, and technologies. And as an absolute novelty, the innovation room, addressing university and schools and startups to get young generation involved in the energy transition path. More strategic sessions will be added to broad participation of energy authorities, policymakers, CEOs of energy companies and NOCs, and international institutions. We will debate on strategies and new business models, levers to evolve the upstream sector towards a net zero future, alliances between the North and the South Med to accelerate the transition, and investment and policy needs for a low-carbon energy system. Last but not least, the portfolio of OMC exhibitor will be enlarged and diversified, addressing participants from new segments of the energy business, together with our traditional exhibitors presenting their new activities, products, and expertise applied to new technologies. We are aware it's an ambitious project, however, providing a wider perspective and facilitating dialogue on the complexity of the energy issues, which are the major goals we will pursue with new enthusiasm for the next OMC 2021. I look forward to meeting you at OMC Conference and Exhibition in Ravenna next May.